Hey, what's up, guys? I hope सबैजना सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ होला. आज June 20th. Let's do the chart analysis of futures contract. Micro E-mini futures contract को 5 minutes chart analysis गर्नेछौँ bar by bar. Market has already closed. Market close भइसकेको छ. Since I work full time, I just come back home and then play the market on a replay mode. So यो replay mode मा छ. This is just a paper money, not a real account, and this content is just for educational purpose. So let's start today's market. त्यो गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि 60 minute chart छ मसँग यहाँ. यो चाहिँ extended trading hours को including Globex session. So 60 minute chart मा हेर्दाखेरि we are in a trading range. So we try to broke out once, twice, failed, broke out on the upside, failed, down, failed. So right now the market is about to open. Trading range को माथि open हुन लागेको छ. So we just need to be careful with market. Let's see how market would react around this area. So that's the bigger picture. Let's start. So 3 more seconds to go. So we have a gap up. Gap up. Yesterday's high को छेउछाउमा छ. यो फर्स्ट क्यान्डल चाहिँ यदि डिसेन्ट क्यान्डल थियो भने, धेरै ठुलो पनि हैन, धेरै सानो पनि हैन, धेरै विक्स नभएको थियो भने I would trade on its breakout. यदि मार्केट माथि जान्थ्यो भने I would long किन्थे, तल जान्थ्यो भने short गर्थे. But this is a doji bar, so म केही पनि गर्दिन. I'll wait for more price action to develop. Just to note, so this was the high of yesterday, also high of the trading range on the 60 minute. So let's see how price reacts to this resistance area. Good looking bull bar. Especially a gap up भएपछि gap up लाई चाहिँ एउटा big bull bar consider गर्न सकिन्छ. So big breakout bull gap up, त्यसपछि pull back, and then second leg. So the second leg has been completed basically. So we can see sellers are चाहिँ यो एरियामा they are still there and they push the price all the way down. So यो दुईटा bull bar is totally engulfed by this bear bar. So not so much bullish, although we had a gap up. And your bear bar is a giant bear bar, huge bear bar closing on its low. So momentum sellers should sell one tick below this bar as well. We broke out from open, we broke out from yesterday's from the first bar को low बाट नि breakout भयो, open as a open बाट नि तल breakout भयो. So we are in a bear breakout mode. Just tell. Don't forget we had a bull bar here. Although it's not visible, gap apply I consider bull bar. So bull bar, pull back, another leg, and then we got more than कति retracement कति भयो. So 50% pullback हुनु is normal, हैन? तर if it's more than 50%, then सो ये हो त्यो 50% को line. So if you want to see it this way. So this small blue bar is 50% line. The pull back, say 50% of this bull run भन्दा पनि तल गइसक्यो. So all these bulls are not happy, and it doesn't look good for the bulls. So this is high one bull bar. यदि high 2 मिल्यो भने we can high 2 भनेको अब यो कुनै पनि एउटा bull bar strong close भयो भने त्यसको one tick above price जाने बित्तिकै म त्यसलाई high 2 consider गर्छु, and I might go long as well because there is a possibility that we might go a little higher. Plus, but after this sharp bear bar, there is likely a second leg. So second leg हुन सक्छ यो bear bar strength देख्दाखेरि, and then plus all the bulls, जो bullsहरूले यहाँ किन्यो, they are trapped. So likely price would go back and test the open of this second bar and then go downwards. But let's see how it goes. This was about to be a high two entry हुन लागेको थियो, तर entry exact हुन पाएन. One tick above price trade गर्न सकेन 7 bar भन्दा माथि. So we could get a second leg down. So bear strength is still there. So all the bulls who are trapped here didn't get their chance to get out. यिनीहरूले निस्किनै पाएन. प्राइस यहाँसम्म माथि टेस्ट गर्न गएको भए यहाँको बुल्सहरू एक्जिट गर्ने चान्स हुन्थ्यो, तर भएन. So it's very bearish. Likely bears are still selling and bulls are also selling to cut their loss. मेरो high 2 theory is completely gone now. So although this is kind of a good looking bull bar, यसको माथि trade गर्न I don't think it's good enough because you big up, big down, right? So I don't think this would be a good setup. I'll wait for more price action to develop. Plus this is an EMA gap 1 bar, so it's the first attempt the bulls are trying to reverse the price. Likely the second attempt we'll get the second attempt and then we can enter in the second attempt. So this can be a high one. Never mind, this is still a high one to me, and this is high too. So some bulls will buy here as well on this high 2 bar, but then they got crossed out here. We're in the middle of the range now. So although this was not a good setup, this high 2, it's still high 2, right? So this is high 2. Whenever high 2 fails, bar number 11 ले high 2 12 नम्बर 11 हाई टु भन्दा मुनि क्लोज भयो and far below it. So I think there will be another leg as well. Plus we have more range to go down below here. So I will short one tick below this bar.
Order filled.
And then stop loss 55 points above the entry. That's a huge stop loss. So trade is small, and the profit target would be the 2R. Sad part is we are the trading range bottom of yesterday, so price might reverse back. तर यो big bear bar को leg 2 should be there. Whenever I get 30 points profit भयो भने म मेरो stop loss चाहिँ break even मा लगेर राख्छु. Profit target धेरै टाढा जस्तो देखिन्छ. So let's see how it goes. If I यदि प्राइस यहाँसम्म पुगेन भने कुनै एउटा स्ट्रङ लुकिङ बुल बार छ भने त्यसको one tick अबोभमा चाहिँ म एक्जिट गर्छु. एक्जाम्पल यो 17 नम्बरको बार चाहिँ यदि बुल बार भयो भने त्यसको हाई भन्दा एक टिक माथि मेरो स्टप लस राख्छु. I'm moving my stop loss a little bit further down so that यदि in case stopped out भयो भने पनि at least कमिसन त उठ्छ भनेर. So यो bull bar strong close भयो भने म यसको one tick अबोभमा सेल गर्छु. Still 1 minute remaining. Not a good looking bull bar, so I will not move my stop loss. I'll move my stop loss यहाँसम्म चाहिँ ल्याउनु पर्छ. Let's check. So we enter here. This was our stop loss, 1 hour target. This is 2 hour target. This seems very optimistic target. I don't think it will be filled. My stop loss. Yeah, someone else.
Stop filled.
Okay. So we just got stopped out of the market. I mean, technically I should have hold. मैले एउटा strong looking bull bar नदेखिन्जेलसम्म होल्ड गर्नुपर्ने हो, तर I didn't expect this reversal. सो या यहाँ चाहिँ स्टप आउट हुनुपर्ने हो म खासमा सो बेसिकली यहाँ इन्टर भएको यहाँ इन्टर भएको यहाँ स्टप आउट 55 points. Okay. After this strong bear run, we're kind of in a channel now. Channelमा छौँ हामी एउटा bear channelमा. Bear channel breakout. After such a huge move, I think it is very likely यस्तो huge move पछि चाहिँ price would again come back and test the low of this range because on a higher time frame it is just a giant bear bar, so more likely we'll get a second leg on this bear bar, right? So that's the theory. But we can always break out and keep going and going up and test the high. Anything happen? So यदि low to set up भयो भने I will short it, hoping that we'll test at least the close of this bar, close of this 19 bar. Low one, no, not yet. I don't see any low one. What's this happened? Where's the cursor? Okay, here it is. It's a big down and then break out of this trend channel line. So it's forming a low one. This is a low one. Some traders would trade the low one as well. They will short it, but I would always like to wait for a second entry, which is a low two. On the 60-minute chart, we still have some range to go to the bottom of this trading range. Just to check, आजको कति point भइसक्यो आजको range from high to the bottom. It's 245 points already. I think it's more than enough. So price, I don't think it will go any lower than this or any higher than this. I think we already made high of the day and the low of the day. 19 low of the day and high of the day could be this number 3 bar. And then we might just be in a trading range for the whole day. But let's see how it goes. So this, wait, I just got a low to set up here. So after this trend breakout, this 29 bar was a low one, and then 33 bar is a low two. So I will sell one tick below it, and my profit target will be towards this area, close of these two bars. Sell market.
Order filled.
And the stop loss. I'll put my stop loss one tick above this bar, signal bar. And the profit target would be here. Let me gauge if this stop loss is, यो stop loss ठिक छ कि छैन है, किनभने sometimes the price would just come and hit your stop loss हैन, stop loss hit गरेर it'll go back, so you can see those overlaps. uh, do we expect overlap in this scenario? We can see by looking at the previous price action, right? So we got a breakout here, and then leg 1, leg 2, that ended the breakout, and त्यसपछि यहाँनिर खासै बुल्सको कुनै breakout अथवा केही पनि छैन, so it's just a small trading range. So I expect a overlap here, so rather I'll move my stop loss back to this high of the 29th bar, किनभने हामी ट्रेडिङ रेन्जमा छौँ, स्मल ट्रेडिङ रेन्ज. So trading रेन्जमा यो ट्रेडिङ रेन्जमा छौँ. ट्रेडिङ रेन्जमा price could slightly break out and then again come back to the range, right? So that's expected. So it might simply take my stop loss and then come back again. That's why I don't want to. That's why Rimati राखेको stop loss. Let's see how far is the stop loss. So it's around 45 points. Entry भन्दा कति टाढा छ त stop loss? 73 points. That's a huge stop loss. I hope I'm right. So we break out of this channel, or your सानो ट्रेडिङ रेन्जबाट ब्रेकआउट भयो. Let's wait. So 38 bull bar चाहिँ यो 33 जुन सिग्नल बार थियो हाम्रो लो टुको लागि, त्यसको भन्दा माथि क्लोज भयो, तर फलो थ्रु बार भएन. So you can, I think it's better. No, not yet. Let's say another bull bar, कुनै एउटा बुल बार स्ट्रङ क्लोज भयो भने चाहिँ यसको माथि यदि स्ट्रङ क्लोज भयो भने, didn't, यदि स्ट्रङ क्लोज भएको भए त्यो बुल बार one tick माथि चाहिँ म मेरो स्टप लस राख्थे. Does it make sense to put your stop loss above this bar now? Let's see what's happening here. We're still in a range here. Breakout. It's a tight trading range, man. Breakout on either side would fail. So let's see if this bar would be a bull bar, right? We are now in a little bit bigger channel now. Never mind. यदि यो 42 चाहिँ bull bar भयो भने चाहिँ obviously I would sell one tick above it. Move my stop loss. We still have one more minute to go. One more minute. Oh, that was a surprise bear bar. Let's see if it will close. Didn't. That was a long wait from here, like 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 minutes. We're still at loss 25 points, but I still think the market would test the bottom of this trading range, this bear channel, sorry. Now we are in another channel here. जति नै गुड लुकिङ बुल बार्सहरू भए पनि यहाँ it's just overlapping bars, right? So none of them are that significant. Yo bull bar 32 numberको was immediately closed by 33. This was 34, 35, 36, 37 all सबै चाहिँ यो bear bar भित्र नै पर्यो. Didn't break out of this bear bar, right? All these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bull bars are all inside this 33 bear bar, and then those two got यो 39 to 40 day फेरि it negate all these bullish actions. So it's not that bullish. Okay, one breakout attempt failed. This is the second breakout attempt. I think now it's safe to put the stop loss one tick above this bear bar, because this is a very good looking bear bar, and if bulls are to reverse this price, then I will give up and then go long instead.
Target filled.
Just got filled on the target here. It's a profit target. यहाँ राखेको चाहिँ फिल भइसक्यो. So we are at the bottom of the trading range, nearly at the bottom of the trading range. 60-minute chart go. Plus we created a new low of the day. I thought 19 would be the low of the day, but this is the new low of the day. After this bearish move, I think there is more bearish action down, at least a second leg down. यो त ट्रेडिङ रेन्ज ब्रेकआउट हो सो ब्रेकआउट पछि यिनीहरू लेग डाउन त हुनुपर्ने हो so breakout and immediate reversal interesting and that's a sign up for trading range um, after this spike we might have हामी bigger च्यानलमा पनि चेन्ज भइसकेको हुनसक्छ मार्केट like this so spike pullback and then channeling so let's see I think I'm done for the day so market will close in 1 hour or so few more bars to go let's fast forward it this can be a double top bear flag as well bear flag and then creating a double top so bear got their second leg here and then bulls also would be hoping for a small leg at least I think it's also going to be a trading range so see all these यो सबै बार हेर्नु अन्त 5 10 15 20 25 25 minute price went nowhere same place and then यस्तो tight range बाट breakout on either side bull breakout भयो भने नि bear breakout भयो भने it usually fails so यहाँ bear breakout भयो तर यो fail हुन्छ just trapping the traders and then market would go off and this is all trading so we just got the bull breakout here but then it might immediately reverse down that's what usually happens okay market is closed now I mean the regular trading hour is closed um, so I think that's it for today okay questions के सुझाव सल्लाह छ भने please comment box मा लेखिदिनु होला if you like the video thumbs up दिनु होला see you around